Some breaking news coming in at this moment on the other big story that we are tracking. A crucial cabinet meeting has in fact begun. Key measures to address the agricultural distress is what is on the table at this moment. The cabinet is also likely to discuss the goods and services tax bill as well as the land bill, the two big points of conflict of the government with the opposition. That's really what the meeting, the crucial cabinet meeting, is all about. Brijesh Pandey now joins us for more on this. Brijesh, what really does the government have in mind? What really are the options that are there on the table? Because from what it appears, and we have seen Rahul Gandhi is moving from state to state to state. He was in Punjab yesterday. He's going to Maharashtra today. He's expected to speak in Parliament on the agricultural crisis. What really is the strategy of the Treasury benches?
Well, the government, it seems, is slightly lost in giving an effective counter to the Congress jibe. If you remember, Sanket, ever since Congress President Sonia Gandhi started touring and meeting farmers who were in distress due to bad weather and hailstorm, the BJP started following the Congress. And it looks like, that since yesterday when Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has started to travel Punjab, and then he's expected to travel to Nagpur tomorrow, it seems that the government has woken up, and today's cabinet meeting is considered to be crucial because the government is planning to come up with measures and doles which are expecting the government to announce in effort to help farmers who are meeting a severe agrarian crisis. And it looks like that the government is also expected to reach some sort of a decision on GST as well, because initially what the government was hopeful that the Congress and couple of other opposition parties would help them, but as of now it seems that all opposition parties are united, and government, which was expected to introduce the GST bill today, has pushed it to the next week.
No, but then Brijesh, there are only two options here then. If the opposition is unrelenting, if the Treasury benches or the government is unable to break into the ranks, then in that case they will have to pull back. These are the only two options on the table.
Well, absolutely. And if you remember, Sanket, the political equation right now, which we are witnessing, has come to a level where, if the government pushes through the if land ordinance or GST, they will end up earning tag of being an anti-farmer. And this is the reason why the government now has climbed down majorly from the position, earlier stated position, that if opposition doesn't concede, then we have the option of going through the joint session of Parliament. Now, the government is not at all talking about joint session of Parliament and saying that, the Lok Sabha, which is the parliament of people, if it has overwhelmingly supported the land ordinance or the GST, then they don't see any reason why Rajya Sabha should dismiss it. But yes, it's a political climb down for the government.
9:30 a.m. the cabinet meeting, then the core committee meeting of the BJP expected at around 10:30 a.m. We are expecting a lot of meetings and action within the Bharatiya Janata Party as the day progresses. Many thanks, Brijesh Pandey, for getting us all the latest.